just ukukulinganisela lento ade ngikhuluma ngayo nawe ekseni. Yababona abantu abawu-10. Uma abantu abawu-10 bezo-recharge ngo-100 rand, wena unamalini ngolesine. Angithi uyabona, it's paid weekly, but ngolesine ne, meaning to say once off 200 rand that you can begin to enjoy. Then njalo ngenyanga wenza le mali. Mina as your upline I'll be making the mali uma wena wenza le. Uma wena usunabantu abawu-50 kwi-business noma kuyilokhuzana abantu suba switch over to Cell C be recharge ngo-100 rand, you'll be making 1,000 rand ngesonto. Then ngenyanga uzobu accumulate le mali. While wena wenza le mali, mina I'll be making this money. And also uma unabantu abayi-100 osuba switchile to Cell C be recharge ngo-100 rand njalo ngesonto noma once off ngesonto uzothola malini wena, uzothola 2,000 rand. Then muthu ukhola u400 rand ngenyanga. Should they still continue to do what, to buy airtime or bathenga ama data of up to the value of 100 rand, then mina ngizobe ngenza le mali. But nakho la ngijahe khona uma uthi ugcina usene network yabantu abangaki abawu-5,000 who are still recharging amalini ngo-100 rand, imali ongayenza njalo ngenyanga is 20,000. But then again imali ozoyenza once off for having just this network yabantu abanjani aba-activator ama-sim card wabo once waba-5,000 nje, wena uzogcina usuyenza le mali le ka-100,000. Then njalo ngenyanga ukuthi ubusushaya le mali, mina walo wena ushaya le mali ngizobe ngenza le mali. So iyona-ke le nto bengifuna ukunifundisa yona la kwi-business. Kodwa ngithi uyabona ukuthi wenza 4% ngaso sonke isikhathi uma abantu bathatha their airtime. So mfethu kusazoba mnandi kakhulu. I can't wait to have it in the office because we want to make so much of money, Skoko. So bring your friend around and allow me to educate them so that Skoko, so to back as the mali. Danko, andile ngcobo.